Snow White and the Red Rose. Once upon a time, a mother and her two daughters lived in a beautiful hut near the forest. One daughter was named Red Rose and the other Snow White because one girl had red hair and the other fair. One was called Snow White and Red Rose the other. Snow White loved being with her mother. Snow White was gentle and clean, while Red Rose loved running around chasing butterflies. He often went to the forest to play with all the little animals who trusted him and know that those animals were good. One day, winter evening, the whole family was sitting around the fire. Suddenly, there was a knock at the door. Go open the door, said the mother. Someone will need shelter in this cold. Let him in. Red Rose opened the door, but he got a big surprise. There was no person standing there, but a huge bear. Red Rose opened the door to a giant bear. Red began to scream, but the bear smiled and said, I will not be harmed. I am very cold. May I have a place to rest? His mother made him herbal tea to warm him up. Snow White and Red Rose began brushing the snow from her fur. The bear laughed, oh, so tickling. Soon they all started laughing. They wrapped the bear in a blanket and they all sat down in front of the fire. The bear stayed with them throughout the winter. He helped them with household chores and took the two sisters for a walk in the snow forest. When spring came, the bear said, now I want to say goodbye and thank you all for being so kind. Where are you going, dear bear? Snow White asked. I must go to my forest and save my treasure from the wicked woodland. In the winter, they live underground, but now it is warm. They will come to take my treasure from my house. They were all sad to see him go and waved goodbye. A few days later, the girls were walking by the river when they heard some screams. They quickly went to see who was screaming. A tall man was standing by the river with his beard in the water. They saw a crab clinging to its end. Red Rose and Snow White laughing at the tall man. Red Rose and Snow White could not stop laughing. Don't stand there, help me, said the lame man. Both the girls pulled his beard but could not free him from the crab. Red Rose took out a pair of scissors and cut off the tip of the tall man's beard. The crab fell with the piece of the tall man's beard attached to its claw. You cut off my precious beard, shouted the tall man. He picked up his sack and hurried into the forest. As Red Rose and Snow White cut the tall man's beard, the man suddenly became smaller. What a rude and angry little man, Snow White laughed. We should have left him there like that, Red Rose smiled. On their way home, they found a young man laying down who seemed to be sleeping. There was a big wound on his forehead. The girls tried to wake him up gently. He opened his eyes and saw Red Rose. It seems that I must be dreaming. He started crying after seeing them both. Red Rose asked, how did you get this injury on your head? That rude old tall man cast a spell on me and stole my treasure. Then suddenly his old friend, the bear, appeared. The girls ran and hugged him. The bear was with one of his friends. He smiled at the two sisters and said to his friend, Andrew, these are the kind sisters I told you about. They helped me and saved me from cold last winter. Thank you for helping my brother. Andrew smiled at them. Suddenly, the tall man appeared with a sack over his shoulder. So Andrew, who was a friend of the bear, told the lamb, man to give me back my treasure at once. Andrew jumped up and took out the sword he was holding. So the tall man said, "You think you can beat me?" And the tall man laughed. "And you?" He pointed at the bear. "You like to be a bear? What is happening?" Red Rose asked. She was very confused. "He stole our treasure and turned my brother into a bear," said Andrew. "Well, return their treasure," Red Rose sternly told the tall man. "Never," shouted the big man. He suddenly grew taller and taller until he was 8 feet tall and towered over them all. "No one can beat me," laughed the tall man. "I am the tallest and strongest." Red Rose grabbed Andrew's sword and ran towards the tall man, jumping and cutting his beard. The tall man suddenly became shorter and shorter and shorter until he became very short again. The tall man yelled at Red Rose, how dare you cut my beard?" And he fled into the forest. As he ran out of fear into the forest, his spell wore off, and the bear suddenly turned into a human with a big smile on his face. I am Greth, son of the king," he said. "The tall man cast a spell on me to steal my treasure and turn me into a bear. You cut his beard and the spell was broken." "Thank you." The bear returned into handsome man. They all became very good friends and lived happily ever after. The end. Thank you.